What's up, guys? Danny and Finn Boys Garage. Painted the truck in the last video. We'll start putting the motor back together. We'll start with the distributor. We'll get that in. And we'll progress there, and there, and there, and there. Just see what's going on. All right, guys. All right, guys. 63. We're going with a HEI distributor on this 6-cylinder. Firing order is 153624 on this motor. Ooh, look at there. That's pretty. That's pretty, very pretty, pretty. Kind of big and bulky. That is 6 of them. Yeah, 6 of them. All right. Nice and pretty. Let's get this cap off. Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah. As you can see, well, you might not be able to see, but my tab right there, there's a little notch on that pulley where I've already pulled it up to number 1. And I've set it on 0. So I got number 1 up. It's already set. So we're going to stab this screwer, mark this cap. There's a little flat piece on that right there goes into the oil pump. So we got that. I set this thing, but when I put the motor back, after I painted and everything, I went ahead and pulled the number 1 up. And I believe it was facing towards the fender. That's what happens when you... oh, we got to have that gasket. Got to have your oil gasket. Don't let me sling oil all over this pretty orange engine. Yep. All right. I want plenty of room to move the vacuum advance. Maybe I was facing the water pump. Okay, never mind. I was facing this bolt right here. I remember it now. That gives me plenty of spin room. All right. Let's get that tab in there. All right, let's get this lockdown tab in here. Right there. All right, that'll do, donkey, that'll do. All right, let's get this cap marked. So This right here is gonna be my number one. The one facing right to the ground screw. So that's gonna be my number one. Let's set that to the side. The plugs in this motor are new, but I threw away my old plugs. So when I painted the motor, I ain't having any way to. So I need to clean the paint off these plugs. And I'm gonna re-gap them because I'm running an HEI distributor now. I'm not running the coil, so I need to get off of 32, move it up to about 44 probably, 45 somewhere in that area. All right, we got all the plugs out. Got soaking them in a little lacquer. Get that orange paint off of them. I found my digital gapper, my jigger, my thing. Oh yeah, we'll make them white again. We'll go ahead and gap them. I'm gonna set them at 45. Wow, that one set. Okay. Get it back. Yeah, I know you ain't supposed to run them in like that, but I'm gonna come back and check them. All right, got them in. They're nice and cleaned up, and they're set. Let's put this cap back on. I was in the wrong spot. This is gonna be my number one. Yeah, that's gonna be my number one. Yep. All right. I had to think a minute. All right. All right, guys, we got the stripper end, the cap on. It's not tight yet. And I was like, it's not wired, so I can't fire it anytime soon. But we did have to change one thing. I had the cap on backwards a while ago, but well, come on. There you go. So this is now my new number one. Yeah, let's get some grease and stuff, and let's see how it snaps. All right, so number one, we need the shortest wire we can find, which is probably this one. Shoot a little dielectric grease in there. So number one. Snap. All right. Number one, clipped in. Then we'll say 5. Let's run this one like this. Snap. Clip. There we go. 1, 5, 3. This one. Snap. Six. Come on, thing, lock down. Lock down. All right. Whew, it's getting warm out here. All right, then we got to find 1, 5, 3, 6, 2, 4. So we go 2. And 4. All right, guys, that's the stripper set. Wires on. Yeah, like I said, it ain't wired yet, so I got to wire it and everything so we can fire it. But it's real close. The wires, I'm not going to leave them like that, so don't worry. But for right now, that's just how they're going to sit. I'm having problems with my alternator bracket, so we got to do something different about that. But yeah, guys, that's the distributor going in. 135624 firing order on a 230 inline 6 Chevrolet motor. And as you can tell, it's sweaty. I got one little map right here in the center. But yeah, guys, like, share, comment. I'll have some more stuff going in. Yeah, follow me on Facebook, Veteran Boys Garage. Have a good one.